Today might be an interesting day of filming. By the time I got the camera gear set up, my toes are already frozen. So I'm going to get the snow cleared off these rafters, get all the planks up here, and get to work on planking the roof of the cabin. You may notice that I'm out of breath, and it's because I'm using an ancient Canadian technique of staying warm in the cold. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up or not, but I'm flaring my nostrils in quick succession, and that gets the muscles working and forces the blood to move through the system and keep me warm. Doesn't that wind sound nice today? All right, let's get to work. Yeah, I know. I don't know why he's not using a broom. A broom would have been a great thing to bring up here instead of a chainsaw. I don't know why. But that's where I'm at. So. I think the next video series I'll do is how to build a sailboat in a tropical paradise. You know, I love when Mom comes out here to help me and we come up with things. And the funny thing is, I had in my head the fan rake. I thought it would be easier to remove the snow with the fan rake. We're going to try this again. Cut. Go get me the fan rake, please. I'm not holding for potatoes, Ma. Come on. I'm freezing up here. Come on. Don't run. I don't want you to slip and fall.
Okay. You said I'm right. I'm right in the race.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
I think I had too many butter tarts this morning. Or for the last 20 years, I can't tell.
The fan rake or another rake?
I'm about to show you the difference.
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! Looky here. Oh, that's much better. Thanks, Mom. Now, oh my goodness, imagine if I had a coffee. Hello? I said coffee. Sure, I'll find something in the comments about that's not what a rake is for. Well, thank you. Thank you. I'm preemptively defending myself against the comments about to come from raking snow. And how do you know what I use a rake for? Maybe I like to leave my broom in the igloo. What did you do on your days off this week? My co-workers will ask me. I say, oh, didn't you see? I posted a video on YouTube. I'm raking snow off the roof of a cabin in practically 30 below zero weather. What did you do? Probably watched the fights, drank some beer, all kinds of fun stuff. Oh, my toes are frozen already. Just had to stop for a second and warm up my toes. All right, back to work. I'm trying to shoot a serious reality series, and you keep distracting me. If you want to get on full time around here, you're gonna have to straighten up. Come on, go ahead. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I was just gonna help you. Why you gotta be so stubborn? At this point, I've stacked all the logs that I milled yesterday up against the cabin. I'm going to pull them up onto the roof and nail them into place. If you're inside the cabin looking up, you'd be able to see cracks through them. I'm expecting that. It's not supposed to be a tight seal. I just need something that I can fasten the tin roof to. So this will give me that.